So these storage boxes here in the back are intended to be coolers as well. So it actually has a little snowflake here indicating that. And so looking inside, when we open it up, they're lockable, of course. You do have to use the key to lock them. But they appear to be like a double layer plastic, and I'm not sure if there's any kind of insulation in between. There's some injection holes here where it may have, it looks like they could have filled this with a like a spray foam insulation or something. They feel kind of heavy and dense, so it's possible that these storage boxes are insulated. They do feel like a double layer plastic. They have some thickness to them. Now right here it gives a little bit, but it just feels like either they're hollow or they have some insulation in there. They do have you know, some at least air separation there. It's not just a plastic box like a, it does have, you know, some separation there. So it has these drains down here, and these rubber plugs unplug, and basically what it does is it drains into the bed of the truck. So if we take these out, you can see it just goes to the bed of the truck. So whatever you have in here, let's say you did have ice or whatever and cooler and food and stuff, when you drain this, whatever's in here is going to go in the bed of the truck. Of course, now the bed of the truck drains onto the ground. But you know, you have your drains here in the front on the bed of the truck, so it's going to get out. It's not going to stay in the bed of the truck, but you know, you want to keep that in mind when you have if you use it as a cooler and there's a bunch of rotten food or something in here, you want to hose out the back of the truck after draining these for sure. And both of these are the same. They're just you know, opposites here in the truck, and they seem pretty secure in here. To close them, the seals are rather, I mean, it does a good seal, so when you close it, you can really slam it and it won't latch. You have to kind of like really bear down on it and push it like that in order to get it to lock securely. You have to compress that seal pretty good in order to get it to latch, basically. This one's the same thing, same exact thing. Has the plugs, everything. And you have the full width, so it's just from the wheel well to wheel well, so you still have the 4-foot width, so you can put in a sheet of plywood here, which is good. That's essential. But yeah, these are pretty interesting storage containers, coolers, however you want to use them. Now, accessing them here from the bed of the truck is a lot easier than trying to access them from outside here. So if you're reaching over like this, for one thing, you know, you can't, it's hard to see what's going on here. You can do it, but you know, it's gonna have, you have to be pretty tall to reach in there to the bottom. And also latching them, you will have to really pull on it good in order to latch it. So they seem like they're more convenient to use by climbing in the bed of the truck in order to access them. But they're pretty interesting, and I haven't seen this in a Tundra before. The Trail Edition is a $2,930 ad, and it includes 18-inch dark gray wheels with Michelin all-terrain tires, lockable bed storage boxes, spray-on bed liner, black exterior badging, chrome front grille, black fabric trim seats with unique tan stitching, and all-weather floor liners.